Soy sauce chicken is a very popular Chinese dish. It usually takes about 1 hour to cook. Today, I want to show you a quick and easy way to make soy sauce chicken in just 30 minutes. Let's get started! To prepare the chicken thighs, use a paper towel to scrub on the skin to remove any filaments. Trim off the extra fat and skin. Slice the chicken meat about 1 inch apart without cutting all the way through, so the chicken will absorb the flavors and cook faster. In a pan over medium heat, place in the chicken, skin side down. The chicken skin will release oil, so I didn't add any additional oil today. Sear for 2 minutes until golden brown. Flip the chicken and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown. Remove the chicken. In the same pan over low heat, with the remaining oil, add the ginger and scallions. Stir fry until aromatic, 1 minute. Add the sugar and stir fry until melted and lightly browned. Pour in the water, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and Shaoxing wine. Omit it if you can't consume alcohol. Also add the cinnamon, star anise, bay leaves, and dry tangerine peel. You could also replace with the spices that you like. Bring it to a simmer. Return the chicken, cover the lid, and simmer the chicken over low heat for 6 minutes. Flip the chicken, cover the lid and cook for another 6 minutes. Uncover the lid over high heat and cook until the sauce is reduced for about 5 minutes. At this point, the internal temperature of the chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Cut the chicken into small pieces. This is absolutely delicious. It is a really easy and quick way to make soy sauce chicken without sacrificing the taste or the textures. So if you like more of this kind of recipes, like quick and easy, comment below and let me know so I can make more of them. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up. Also click on that little bell button so you get notifications of my new recipes. I will see you again next week. Bye!